Ubud. If Bali has a cultural heart, this is it. About an hour north of Kuta, sitting in the highlands surrounded by rice terraces and jungle, Ubud operates at a completely different pace to the rest of the island. In this video, I'm taking you to 5 stops that between them cover the art, the history, the wildlife, the food, and the nature that make Ubud worth more than just a day trip. Let's go. First stop, the Royal Palace at Ubud. Still an active royal residence, right in the heart of town, and completely free to walk through during the day. Ubud Art Market. Just across the road from the palace sits the Ubud Art Market. 2 floors of local crafts, textiles, wood carvings, and silver. Bargaining is expected. Arriving early gets you the best selection and the most patient vendors. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, home to over 700 Balinese long-tailed macaques and 3 ancient Hindu temples. Fair warning, they are not shy. Keep your belongings secure, avoid direct eye contact, and whatever you do, don't hold food out in the open. Outside of central Ubud sits Satria Agrowisata, a working organic farm and agro-tourism experience. Coffee, spices, tropical fruit, all grown on site. If you've heard about luwak coffee and want to see the process firsthand, this is the place. The last stop? Kanto Lampo Waterfall. Less visited than other falls, but arguably more dramatic. The water cascades over a natural rock face that you can actually walk behind. Wear shoes you don't mind getting wet. If you're planning a visit, the honest advice is to give it more than a day. Ubud rewards slowing down. If this gave you a reason to add this to your list, let me know in the comments. More travel content coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Crash Course Travel. See you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.